My name is Julian Anderson. I'm about to share my true life story about how I got involved with the notorious Jamaican Mafia gang.
You're home early.
I quit my job today.
So how do you plan on coming up with your part of the rent?
Your uncle are happy if you see us still.
I don't want you mix up with them wicked man then.
Bury whoever and whenever.
I want to groom you to be the next underboss of the Jamaican Mafia family.
I am the captain. I send the orders down and the money come up.
Soldier, someone for sure they're on it.
I don't want you around Soji and his posse when their enemies catch up to them.
Why?
You have to hard me heart. You're living in a new fucking world now. What problem?
Represent where we come from, where we function, where we come from, where the rum strong, where we come from, where we function, where we come from, where the rum strong. Tourists them flying, forget them.
I will give up my life for the Jamaican Mafia family. If I betray the Jamaican Mafia family, may I die the worst death.
May I die the worst death.
You remember anything yet?
I want you to slaughter that motherfucker. Chop him!
Let me introduce myself to you. I'm me named Zuzu. Me I run the family now. If you think my father did cool, me frozen.
You never heard of Awilo? He's a Nigerian gangster, and most people fear him.
Go to these spots where the Jamaican Mafia hang out and get rid of them all.
Shots fired. Repeat. Shots fired at Church and Troy Avenue.